UC.
Welcome to UC Davis Children's Hospital. I'm so excited right now to introduce my friend I just met a moment ago, but I met her mom 3 days ago, and her doctor. Dr. Ram, this young lady, Kehlani, had open heart surgery just 3 days ago.
Yes.
And look at her now.
I know. She's ready to go home.
This is an example of the kind of miracles that you're doing at UC Davis Children's Hospital. Without being too specific, this was a serious treatment.
Yes, it was. She had a hole between the right and the left atria. It was causing the right heart to enlarge, and ultimately, if we did nothing, she would end up developing heart failure.
No parent wants to go through this kind of trauma with their child, but if you're doing it, you want them in the right place. You want an outcome like this. Miss Kehlani, wave goodbye. And while she's doing that, you call the number on your screen, 877-719-KIDS. Make miracles happen, 877-719-KIDS.